Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color a frog poppet. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. Step 1. Let's start with the eyes. Guess what? This isn't just any frog, it's the Frog Prince. Step 2. Now draw his face, add his nose, and a big, friendly smile.
Wow!
Step 3. Time to draw his body. Step 4. Add his to front legs, and then his to back legs. Step 5. Don't forget his crown, it makes him a prince. Step 6. Now draw small circles all over. Pretty simple, right? Next, I'm using a black marker to outline the drawing and make it look even better now. Let's color together. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow for this frog poppet. First, I use red. Next, I color it with orange. Then, I add yellow. Do you like playing with Poppet toys? My daughter and I love them. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe. I'll make lots more fun videos like this one.
Wow!
Finally, I color the crown pink, and we're done! Great job! Next up, how to draw a unicorn poppet. In this part, I'll show you how to draw and color a unicorn poppet step by step. Step 1. Start by drawing the unicorn's shape. Step 2. Draw parallel lines across the body. Step 3. Add evenly spaced circles along the lines. Unicorns are so magical and cute, don't you think? Now, let's color the unicorn poppet using the colors of the rainbow step by step. Start with red. then orange. Followed by yellow, and so on. Apply the colors slowly to avoid smudging. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can fix it later with a black pen. And there you have it, a beautiful unicorn Pop It. Finally, I draw and color a cute dog Pop It. Step 1, start with the eyes, make them extra cute. Step 2, next, draw his nose and mouth. He's sniffing a little bone, so adorable. Step 3, add his floppy ears and round face. Can you guess the breed? That's right, it's a Corgi. Do you like Corgis? I think they're the cuttest dogs ever. Step 4, draw his body and his for little legs. Step 5, now use a black marker to outline the drawing and make it stand out. Then, add circles for the Pop It effect, and that's it! We've finished drawing a dog Pop It. Now, let's color it together. First, I use red, then orange, next, yellow for part of his face. You did an amazing, great job. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.